A few weeks ago, we got an elliptical, and I've never really been a gym person, but I've always really liked working out on the elliptical and really wanted to have one to supplement my home workouts. Since quarantine started many months ago, I've really been slacking on my workouts. I did one fitness challenge, I think back in April, and then we moved to a new home and I felt completely out of whack. So this month, I really want to focus on being healthier and get in a better shape. For the next 30 days, I will try to use the elliptical every single day. I will eat clean and healthy, and at the end of the month, we'll see the results of my mini fitness journey. At the start of this challenge, I was 138 pounds, my waist was 28 inches, my hips were 39, and my thigh was 20. Week one was probably the most exciting one for me because it was the first week in many years where I worked out every single day, and that made me feel really proud of myself and motivated me even more to continue with this challenge. Hi guys, so I finished week one of my elliptical challenge and I'm feeling very accomplished and really proud of myself because I worked out every single day of this week, and this is something that hasn't happened to me for years. I'm always too lazy, and maybe my record is 4 workouts a week or something. So this week was really different for me. And I'm very excited to continue and very motivated. There were definitely days where I didn't feel like working out. I was feeling too lazy. But on those days, I just did a shorter, lighter version of my workout, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And once I was already on the elliptical and working out, I felt more motivated. And actually, I felt excited to be working out. So it really felt good, even on those lazy days, to be moving and sweating and just get a little bit of activity in my day, because right now I'm not getting that many steps or that much movement. The other 3 weeks were pretty standard. I used the elliptical almost every single day, but my workouts were not super intense. My main goal with this challenge was to build that habit of working out daily again, to just create that habit for my health, because I was starting to feel really gross just sitting around and not getting any decent movement into my day. I worked out for about 30 minutes every time, and I did a mix of the workouts that were pre-programmed into my elliptical and some workouts that I found online, which I'm gonna share with you guys in the description down below. Some of them I really enjoyed. I felt like they were decently challenging and they were fun to do. So if you are interested, definitely check them out. I'm gonna have them linked in the description. Hi guys, it's day 13. I just finished a workout, another interval training that I found online. And this was probably the sweatiest, most challenging workout that I've done so far because the resistance was high. So it felt like a strength workout, which I appreciated. Usually per workout, I would do between 1.5 and 2 miles in terms of distance, and I would burn between 150 and 200 calories, which is nothing out of the ordinary, nothing out of this world, but I feel like it worked well for me, both in terms of helping me boost my endurance and my strength, and also getting closer to my fitness goals. At the end of this challenge, I lost 3 pounds, 2 inches off my waist, and 1 inch off my hips. I feel really happy with how my body looks and feels, and I'm even more motivated to continue now and add more workouts to the mix. I feel like I just got this confidence boost, and it's not because of the inches or pounds that I lost, it's because I made this promise to myself to take care of myself, and I actually showed up and did the work almost every single day, and this hasn't happened to me in years, and it especially got really bad since quarantine started. It's been getting harder and harder for me to do something, to get off my butt and put some effort into my health and my well-being. I had started to make excuses for myself, just being lazy all day, and I don't know, just it's been getting harder and harder for me to find motivation in everyday life. Of course, diet is really important when it comes to being in good shape, so I want to talk about that a little bit too. During this month, I tried to eat healthy and clean and mainly low carb, but I did not restrict myself and I didn't count calories because this is not something that I believe in. If I wanted to have a cheat meal or a treat, I would have that, and then I will get straight back into my healthy diet. Hey guys, it's Friday today. I had a cheat meal, I had a burger and some fries, and I'm taking a rest day because it's all about balance, right? If you guys are curious and if you want to see an example of what I eat, I will link some videos down below so that you get an idea of my like everyday diet. But for me, it's all about balance. I try to eat as best as I can, as healthy as I can 80% of the time, and the other 20 are reserved for cheat meals or treats or meals that are not considered super healthy. Before starting this challenge, I could barely find the motivation to do 4 30-minute workouts per week, and this has been going on for many years. I've been at constant war with myself, trying to find the motivation, trying to find my willpower to get into like working out regularly again. And in the last 30 days, I've been so proud of myself for being able to change that and push myself a little bit more. And I saw the positive effect not only in the way that I look and feel physically, but also on my mental health. I will admit it, on many days, I couldn't find the time to work out until it was 9 p.m. And I feel like in the past, if that happened, I would always tell myself, oh, I guess I'm not working out today. It's already too late. Just forget it. I'll try it tomorrow. But this time I tried to tell myself, it doesn't matter how late it is. It doesn't matter if it was the greatest workout ever, as long as you do it. Like any workout is better than no workout. Hi guys, it's day 10 today. And this is definitely one of the days where I feel really lazy and not motivated to work out. But I still decided that I'm gonna try and get a workout, even if it's just 20 minutes. I'm just gonna go on the elliptical and just do the best that I can. So yeah, let's do it. If I was feeling extra lazy, I would just play a YouTube video and I would do 20 minutes, not super fast, without like pushing myself too much. But I always felt much better after I've completed the workout. I would have this sense of accomplishment and I would feel proud of myself for showing up for myself and actually doing what I said I would do. I did 20 minutes and it was probably my worst workout so far. It was more like a light jog, but I'm still glad I did something. That's what matters. I was watching an episode of something and I definitely noticed that I have way better workouts when I'm listening to music, like something fast-paced and dynamic. So tomorrow I'll definitely put on my workout playlist and I'm gonna have a better workout. To be honest, this challenge was not about losing pounds or inches. It was about gaining my willpower back. I felt like lately I didn't have control over myself, both in terms of my diet and my workout routine. Like I knew what I had to do in order to get healthier and in better shape, but somehow I just couldn't make myself do it. I don't know why. After 30 days of working out regularly, my plan is to continue, of course, and I feel even more motivated to do that. I still plan on using my elliptical every single day. I think on most days I would do 15 minutes of the elliptical for my cardio and warm up, and then I will get into 20-minute strength workout. On my channel, I like to focus on body positivity and healthy lifestyle and not losing weight. I don't believe that you have to be thin to be beautiful, to feel great and be healthy, but I also think it's okay if you want to change your body and get into better shape. You obviously don't need an elliptical, treadmill, or any equipment whatsoever. You can just go outside, take a walk, jog a little bit, find a free YouTube video. There are so many good ones out there. But I just want to encourage you guys to get some movement into your day. Do a little workout. You will feel so much better after that. And you will feel like you're taking care of yourself and your body. And I think that's especially important now that we've been in quarantine and we're trying to stay home as much as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learning about my experience. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you are into healthy lifestyle and wellness content. I try to post every single week and I would love to have you guys on my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!